A full team of the Election Commission of India, led by the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar, is in Kolkata as Mamata Banerjee, the Bengal Chief Minister, continues with her dharna against the SIR in the same city. Now, I am at the dharna spot of the West Bengal Chief Minister. I'm going to just step aside and ask my camera person to give you a few shots. Now, this dharna has gone on for some days. You can see the Bengal Chief Minister, Ms. Banerjee, on your frame right now. Also, a lot of other people, mostly her party functionaries and senior leaders of the party who are on stage with her. Now, this dharna goes on continuously. So, Mamata Banerjee has been spending her days and nights here, and she says that she is going to continue till there is some kind of fair resolution to the SIR situation in the state. Now, you can see that there are many posters and banners also here. A lot of them in Hindi, in Bangla, I'm sorry, and a lot of them in English also. For instance, one of them that I can see says, "Yes, sir, no SIR. Why are people's daily hardships steadily increasing?" Now, before I talk about the Election Commissioner's visit, I'd just like to talk about the backdrop of why there's a protest happening related to SIR. So, the SIR process, as we know, has not only happened in Bengal but also in other states. It's contentious in Bengal because the ruling Trinamool Congress alleges that there have been discrepancies in the way people's names have been struck off voter lists. Now, there's a unique situation in Bengal also. While the draft electoral rolls that were published earlier did have people who were struck off, there are another 60 lakh people who are waiting some kind of a call on whether their names will be included in the final electoral list or not. Now, these are people whose applications are being now looked at by judicial officers after an order by the Supreme Court of India. How much time this will take, we do not know. A recent estimate by the Election Commission said that 10% of the cases have been decided while the rest are pending. Judicial officers from Bengal, from Orissa, from Jharkhand are expected to take a call, and there's a race against time because the elections have to be declared and they have to be conducted. Now, as the camera person continues to show you this area and how this entire protest is shaping up, this is central Kolkata, where you have TMC functionaries who come and sit here all through the day. The Bengal Chief Minister spends her time on the stage. She also speaks a lot in the sense that she speaks more than once in one day. She attacks the BJP, the centre, the Election Commission, and says that the process is entirely flawed. Her people also speak. The MPs on stage, the other senior party leaders on stage also speak, which also then brings me to the second part of this entire report, which is the Election Commission's visit to Bengal. Like I said, Gyanesh Kumar, the Chief Election Commissioner, is leading the Bengal team. They are looking at poll preparedness. They are also looking to meet all members of all political parties here who will submit their representations about how the election should go ahead. Two or three things. One, when will they happen? Two, how many phases? These are interesting questions because last time there were 7 to 8 phases. This time we believe that all political parties are telling the Election Commission that, look, please conduct it in lesser phases because 8 phases is a stretch. That's number one. Number two, security. That's a big issue. And that's been something that everyone's been talking about. So the Election Commission will be meeting with the Chief Secretary, with the Director General of Police in Bengal, and also with other administrative officials to look at how polls can be conducted in a smooth manner, in a free and fair manner. Of course, there's been a lot of criticism from the TMC about the Election Commissioner's visit. The TMC has been alleging that the Election Commission is working hand in glove with the BJP and the central government. It's a charge that the Election Commission has denied. But through yesterday and today, when the Election Commissioner went to the Kalighat temple to pray, TMC party workers showed him and the team black flags, something that the Election Commission has not really responded to. But they are meeting with administrative officials and they are meeting with police officials in a different part of town. And they are here till tomorrow. And they are also expected to address the press at some point of time tomorrow. And of course, once they go back and once in the next few days, elections are expected to be announced in Bengal.